Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video is guys about fingerprint lock setting. How can we delete in our Oppo phone? Guys, you want to delete, so you can delete it. In this video guys, I will show you how to delete fingerprint. So let's see how to delete fingerprint. First of all, open your phone setting to delete guys fingerprint, and guys scroll it, and guys click on password and security. Guys click on fingerprint, draw your pattern. So as you can see, we have two fingerprint guys. You want to delete your first fingerprint, so you can delete. Guys click here and guys delete from here. And guys you want to set only second fingerprint, so you can set this fingerprint. Guys, why you want to delete the second fingerprint, so by same setting guys, click three dot and delete. So guys fingerprint will delete in our Oppo phone. So there is no any fingerprint guys in our, it will not work guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to delete fingerprint in Oppo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. If you guys please go and like and subscribe my channel.